References are an important part of your application to Covenant College. They help us get to know more about your character, your college preparedness, and your relationship with Jesus. Covenant asks for 2 references, an academic reference and a Christian faith reference. Your academic reference should come from a core class teacher who can attest to your academic abilities, or from a school counselor. This form cannot be completed by a parent or any other relative. For homeschooled students, you may ask another teacher, tutor, music instructor, or even a Sunday school teacher to complete this form. Your Christian faith reference should be from an adult who can speak to your relationship with the Lord and attest that you love Jesus. This can be your pastor, youth leader, mentor, or family friend, but not a family member. In your application portal, you'll find instructions on how to add your references and their contact information. From there, we'll send them a form to fill out, so no extra work is needed on your part. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to your admissions counselor.